Get ready for the most important legal words which can definitely come in your skill test exams. If you are going to give such an exam where there is a possibility of appearing legal passage, then you must practice these most important words at least 5 times before your exam. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. Defendant, petitioner, affidavit, learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the respondent, learned counsel for the appellant, learned counsel for the parties in this court, of this court, to this court, under article, under section, under rule, in section, of section, rules and regulations, facts and circumstances, learned single judge, session judge, as much as, claimant, revisionist, show cause notice, affidavit, ordinance, notification, res judicata, vice versa, lacuna, bail application, tribunal, high court, supreme court, civil court, apex court, trial court, in accordance with law, in accordance with rules, impugned order, entitled, repetition, law and order situation, annexure, annexure number, writ petition numbers, civil miscellaneous number, appointment, specific, regularization, public service commission, appoint, appointed, appointees, appointment, ad hoc, counter affidavit, in the counter affidavit, rejoinder affidavit, termination, vehemently, contempt petition, contempt of courts act under article, amended, herein above, herein after, prisoner, SHO, heinous offense, prosecuting officer, plea bargaining, Constitution of India, district judge, civil judge, with effect from seniority, motor vehicle act, intimation, assistant teacher, warrant, retirement, on behalf of the respondent numbers, division bench, requisite, interim order, disciplinary authority, disciplinary proceedings, mediation, farming of charge, issues, probation, interim bail, citations, acquittal, conviction, abatement, reduced into writing, adduced, sub judice, condition precedent, argument allegations, falsely implicated in this case, habeas corpus, inquiry officer, inquiry report, we have heard, in the circumstances, controversy, written statement, written mandamus, writ of certiorari, nature of certiorari, district inspector of schools, signature, primary education, secondary education, higher education, resignation. It is further stated, it is further submitted, Deputy Director of Education, Civil Procedure Court, Court of Civil Procedure, encroaching on the ground of the case to the case, in this case, charge sheet, contended, final order, FIR, first information report, prima facie, mala fide, bona fide, quo warranto, writ of mandamus, writ of prohibition, amicable settlement, detention, desertion, violence, forfeited, forfeiture, parole, interlocutory, tenancy, adoption, written examination versus AIR, eligibility, allegation, memorandum, concealment in the said order, selection committee, pro forma, disciplinary action, aforestated, temporary injunction, criteria, father-in-law, daughter-in-law, brother-in-law, settlement authority, ex parte, executing court, executing proceedings, decree holder, stay order, said order, error of law, in my view, in my opinion, arbitrate, arbitrated, arbitrator, arbitration, arbitration act, paragraph, additional civil judge, proclamation, fundamental right, mandatory provisions, estoppel, verification, abortion, landlord, right of constitutional remedies, compensation, compensatory, depose, service rules, plea of alibi, amicus curiae, de facto, de novo, mens rea, locus standi, void ab initio, honorable Supreme Court, local bodies, advocate general, date of birth, per month, adjournment, statutory function, Indian Medical Association, Metropolitan Magistrate, State Electricity Board, Chief Justice of India, election petition, specific performance, as the case may be, difference of opinions, Allahabad High Court, adjudicate, adjudicature, adjudication, Hindu Marriage Act, public interest litigation, provident fund, learned judge, divorce, vacancies, reinstatement, retrenchment, medical officer, discharge, inter alia, All India Council for Technical Education, aforesaid, set aside, setting aside, withdraw, withdrawn, withdrawal, in the facts of the present case, University Grant Commission of the said judgment, of the said finding, Deputy Director of Consolidation, during the pendency, Regional Level Committee, Intermediate Education Act, Principle of Natural Justice. Thank you.
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक, तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ। मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, हाथ जोड़ के विनती है।